Though, innit? Yes, bro.
I don't like it, it's too light. We're running it off.
Bro, stop
Big
trying to get that light
man.
in. Stop trying to get that light in for your video, bro. Oh my shit, dude.
Oh.
Active war zone. Kaboom! I reckon we'd win a war, you know.
What, with fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just set you on them.
Fuck that.
You've got like...
And then it would distract them.
If you go to the
I love the smell of burning chemicals. It's my favourite smell, actually, guys.
Bro, I keep getting the wrong angle. What am I doing?
You're stupid.
Oh, yes! Oh my god, man. Bro,
Holy fuck.
Why haven't we got any that Bonfire's arse not doing that?
Because we didn't get those ones, I think. Just active war zone, man.
I won't be surprised if someone pulled up with a tank.
Oh, actually, shooting a huge firework out of a tank would be
yeah.
sick. La 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 la. Oh fuck!
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, why is that plane going? That like it's gonna be huge.
I know, yeah.
That's not awesome,
That was good, that.
Ooh.
Right, get out the way, you're gonna binge.
Bro, these like little tiny ones after all that just feel like so daft.
It goes red high and then it's
Bro. Not about it. Oh, dude, it smells like actual fart. Smells like someone's ripping ass.
Amy, not Amy.
Yeah.
Mate, I'll fucking grab it and go bam at you.
Are you gonna grab a firework that's literally exploding in your face?
Oh my god, I think poop resolve.
Don't do that. Sit next to me, you smelly bitch.
Bro,
Kaboom. No muscling. Oh my god!
man, I've just got white, bro.
You're right anyway, because you're pale and ginger.
Yeah, but I just went even more.
You're
white
pale
than
and ginger.
it.
So.
Pale and ginger.
Laugh at me.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
That's good.
Hello.
Nah, cause that one where it had multiple in it.
Oh, my ass is wet from the fucking bench.
I feel like I've got shit on my body.
Yeah, me too. Bye. Bye. Ooh.
Hey, look at that.
Hey! Whoa! I got both on video.
So did I.
Yeah, you in my video. Wow! Dude, have you seen that TikTok where it's like he's got a man that shoots a firework?
Imagine being in that plane right now, yeah. and just seeing all the fucking kaboom